Okay, Tuesday Do Institute. Training schedule for today is 200 finger push-ups. And today we're going to do the finger push-ups in 3 different styles. First, we're going to use a Megger catalog and with a Megger T-bag pouch and use this as a weight on the back. And this is the catalog I use to guide the customer what insulation meter to choose during the work time. After the work, I use this as a weight for my workout. So during the work time, I'm using its information property, and after the work, I'm using its physical property.
Once again, this is another demonstration of one of our key Institute points. Natural resources are the best resources. But remember, you do not have to have a Megger catalog. As long as whatever you use at your job is natural to aid you in your workout, just use it and just do it.
Okay.
All right, Bruce?
Usually we'll use our trusty
Epic 5 timer.
Yeah.
Another one of our most valuable resources at the Institute here.
Okay. So get ready.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Get the timer ready.
Okay, timer ready.
Ready? Are you ready, Bruce?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Great stuff. Great stuff. Great stuff, man.
Hand over.
Transfer the pouch.
Transfer the weight.
Transfer ownership.
And transfer the Megger expertise.
Okay. Transfer the energy. Oh, the pouch is on fire.
Okay.
Okay, 60.
60.
Okay. Let's go.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, good stuff, good stuff.
All right, Bruce.
Okay, now going to do the second style. Just doing this on the ground directly. 100.
100.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 120, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 130, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
40.
140.
Okay, 140.
Great stuff.
Okay.
140.
140.
All right. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, 60.
160.
Time to do our last style, incline style.
All right.
Okay, using Megger Natural Resources Megger chair.
All right.
60.
60. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80.
Okay.
Good stuff. Great stuff.
Okay. 80.
Alright. Got to take it to the threshold. Final countdown.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Okay, good. We did 200 finger push-ups in 280 seconds. Okay, after a quick break,
we will
I will start our 30 pistol.
pistols.
Okay, well, just do the
Get a little stretches here.
do some stretching. And for me, I need to take the quick water break or tea break.
Tea break, always important. Gotta stay liquefied.
Okay. Okay. So the Tuesday pistol is 30. From Monday to Friday, the pistol is from 20 to 60. Okay.
As regular, while we demonstrating the intermediate level,
advanced, and
Bruce will be doing the advanced
yeah.
for all our viewers at home, wherever you are.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
let's go. Pistol, shoot.
Shoot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Change leg.
change leg.
Okay.
Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10. Change leg.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Change leg.
Okay,
Okay.
ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, good. That's it. 2008 Tuesday, 200 finger push-up plus 30 pistol.
Thanks for watching.